This is the Axinn Library, Hofstra University in Hempstead. Now, some of you may remember these elevators from a while ago. I filmed these twice back in 24 and 25. And since then, they have been modernized. So let's see what they did. Look at that. Monitor HPS mod. Seems to take a while to level. Oh wow, new cabs and everything. Very nice. Wow, the buttons are a mess though. Still get the original tracks. They still take way too long to level though. That's my first impression.
Ground floor. Going up.
This is the same. Probably gonna stop a whole bunch of times.
Floor.
Okay, it doesn't take as long to level up here.
Going down.
Down? Which one are you going to?
Just the ground floor.
Ground?
Ground floor.
Oh, there you go.
Going up.
You're welcome. Do another ride on this. Okay, so it takes longer to level when it's not going full speed. When it's going full speed, it levels instantly. Stopping on M. This button setup is a mess. So much stuff here. It's overwhelming. Yeah, see, it's taking longer to level.
Mezzanine.
Because we only just got 4 and 4. And I guess someone pushed both buttons. As you can tell, these things are pretty busy. Look at the cab view going up. Very nice new, oh, what the? Very nice new cabs. Very nice new cabs. They got new doors too. Brand new doors. Apparently this is an Excel mod.
10th floor. Going down.
And here's the top floor, which was literally just renovated. And you got a nice view on the campus. There's Calkins with the Burlington, Hofstra Hall with the Inland, which I believe was a Sedgwick. You see a bunch of those buildings. A lot of these had Lex and some of them modded. You could see the Monroe Lecture Center, Gittleson Hall. And in the very back you kind of see the Science and Innovations building with the Gen 3s. Here's RXR Plaza. And in case you couldn't tell, this elevator system used to be really bad. They were breaking down constantly getting stuck. Every time I seemed to come here, there was always one broken. This is a much needed mod. Which one? It's a very nice new elevator system.
Mezzanine. Going down.
Down or up?
Ground floor. Going up.
Transfer down here. Probably gonna wait a while. These doors, I believe, are still the same. They still look the same. Yeah, this is a much needed modernization. The old elevators did not run well at all, and they constantly broke down. So this is a much needed mod. While we're waiting, so we can take a look at the other one. There are the two elevators we have right here. The service is there, and the AUX is there. Elevator 5, wait. Elevator 3, which one's elevator 4? Found it, it's right there. So I do kind of want to check something. We'll take a look down here for a little bit. Because apparently there's another elevator that I missed. I was curious. Might be a service, but I don't know. That's probably why. It's probably in there. There's probably an elevator in there. I will say the wait time for these are not good. This call button's still lit. But I guess that was always the case. One thing I'm curious about is if they modded the service elevator right over here too. Because that one also did not run well. It was a lot better than these, but still same quality. I would assume they got their hands on that one too. Here it comes. Let's see what they did to the other one. I wonder if that one also has the same leveling issue. Oh, it stopped on... Oh, never mind, it didn't. Oh, it stopped on M. Please give me the right one. That didn't sound like it's giving me this one. Oh, nope, it is. Alright, here we go. Okay. Oh no, this one also has the same leveling problem. I will say that shouldn't be an issue.
Going up.
Really? My other elevator didn't talk.
No, they just modernized these. They never talked before.
Second floor.
See you later. Good luck, class.
Going up.
Is the ninth floor finished?
I think it is.
Yeah, they just finished it. I went to check it out this weekend and they were like, it's not done yet. I was like,
They did a lot of renovations to this library.
they changed
The 10th floor is really nice.
I miss my old 10th floor.
Yeah, this is.
Going up. Tenth floor.
There you go.
Going down.
Yeah, there's 10th floor. Now we're gonna go to. We'll try 8. I believe 8 is one of the non-renovated floors because I want to check and see if the service elevator got modded. Yeah, as long as it's going full speed, it will level much faster.
Eighth floor.
Yeah, see, this floor was still untouched.
Going down.
I'm probably gonna end my video up here. But just in the same video, we'll check and see if the service at all got modded. But I'm gonna make it a separate video if it did. Here's some rare firearms. No, this one sounds like it's still the same. Yeah, it is. This one still has, this one still has the original motor. So yeah, this one's still kept the same. We'll just take a quick peek. I'm not gonna ride it because I've already made a video of this one. Yeah, see, this one's got the GAL buttons on it. So if the mod eventually comes around, to this one, it will probably look like what the other ones did, but just more industrial. But yeah, like I said, this is a much needed mod, so I definitely approve. It's a lot better than what they used to be. Like I said, I think Excel modded these, as far as I know. So it would make sense. I suppose we'll end things off on the ground floor.
Going down.
Yeah, they got new inner door, new cabs, new floor even. But yeah, this is like I said, this is a much needed mod. There's an overload blade. That's interesting. I'll get my picture of the panel right here.
Ground floor. Going up.
I approve. There it goes. And that's it.